Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ActiveCampaign for sales pipeline workflows step by step clearly. Visit the ActiveCampaign website at activecampaign.com. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. Fill out the required fields in the sign-up form. Enter your email address, name, and any other necessary information. Choose a strong password for your account. Once you've filled out the form, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from ActiveCampaign. Open the confirmation email and click the verification link provided. You will be directed to the ActiveCampaign setup page. Choose the option to explore features or set up your account right away. Follow the prompts to set up your business details, including company name and website. Select your preferred industry from the drop-down menu. Choose your primary goal for using ActiveCampaign, whether it's email marketing, sales automation, or something else. Next, enter your contact information and set your time zone. Once you've completed this, you will reach your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Locate the Automations tab in the left sidebar. Click on Automations to proceed to the Automation dashboard. Click the Create an Automation button to start a new workflow. Select a template or start. Follow the on-screen instructions to add triggers to your workflow. Choose actions based on your sales pipeline requirements. Customize each step of the workflow to suit your business processes. When satisfied with your automation, click Active to enable it. Your ActiveCampaign sales pipeline workflow is now set up. Return to the dashboard to monitor performance and efficiency. Regularly review and adjust your workflows as needed for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.